Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to clear storage on Windows 10 so you can free up space and keep your PC running smoothly. Step 1. Press Windows plus S on your keyboard to open the search box. This lets you quickly find apps and settings on your computer. Then, type Disk Cleanup and click to open it, which is a built-in tool for cleaning unnecessary files. Step 2. Select the drive you want to clean, usually the C drive, which is where Windows is installed. Click OK to let the tool prepare for the cleanup process. This step is important because you need to choose the correct drive to free up space. Step 3. Wait while Disk Cleanup calculates how much space you can free. This may take a few moments depending on how many files are on your drive, so be patient. It gives you an overview of storage that can be cleared safely. Step 4. Check the boxes next to the file types you want to delete, such as temporary files, recycle bin items, or system cache. You can review the list to make sure you only delete files you don't need, keeping your important data safe. Step 5. Click OK, then confirm by clicking Delete Files. This will remove the selected files and clear storage on your PC, helping it run faster and freeing up valuable disk space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.